Hello and welcome to this Python tutorial. In this tutorial we will be showing you some of the basic program in Python. In the last tutorial we have focused more on the basics of Python, what is Python, where to use it. From this video onwards we will be showing you all the programmings and what is the depth in this Python. Now we will start with the basic programming. Let me show you one of the basic program like Fibonacci series. You might have done it in other programming like C or C++ or any other language and now we will show you in Python. So suppose I'm defining A, B, 0 and 1 while A less than 10 print A comma B equal to B comma A plus B. Here you go. Look, in this case I have assigned first the value of A and B equal to 0 and 1, and after that I have written a while statement. While A less than 10 print A and AB will be B and A plus B. So in this simple way you can write in Python. So hope you have understood this program, and now we will show you another example of count. And suppose you are defining count equal to 0 now printing numbers from 0 to 9 while I have to close the bracket. Now while count less than 10 print so now I have to print the value in it. So the output will be the count is count. Now count equal to count plus 1. Here you go. So this is also one of the easiest way to show you. Here first I'm defining the value of count is 0, and after that I will print the value of count and when the count is less than 10. So here I'm defining while count less than 10 and then print the value the count is count and count plus 1. So this loop will continue up to when the count value equals to 10, less than 10. So here use the output. So this is all about this video, and in the next video we will show further and what we can do in Python. Have a nice day. Goodbye.